12 major triggers that push husbands to leave their wives. Marriage is often portrayed as the ultimate commitment, a bond that lasts a lifetime. However, even the strongest-looking marriages can face turmoil, leading to separation or divorce. Many husbands leave their wives not on a whim, but after enduring persistent issues that erode their love, respect, and happiness. If your relationship feels strained or disconnected, understanding the warning signs can make all the difference. Below, we'll explore 12 key triggers that push husbands to leave and what can be done to address these challenges. 1. Things have been one-sided for too long. Relationships are about balance, yet many husbands feel stuck in a dynamic where they are giving far more than they're receiving. From managing finances to taking on the lion's share of household duties, they may feel like they're pouring all their energy into a marriage that offers little in return. Over time, this imbalance fosters resentment. A husband who constantly feels overlooked or underappreciated might decide that he's better off alone than in a partnership that feels more like a burden. 2. She abuses him. Abuse doesn't discriminate by gender. While domestic violence against women gets more attention, many men endure emotional, verbal, or even physical abuse in silence. Constant criticism, name-calling, or even controlling behaviors can create a toxic environment. No one wants to stay in a relationship where they're made to feel worthless or unsafe. Eventually, even the most patient husband may walk away to protect his mental health and well-being. 3. She misrepresented herself. In some cases, a wife may present an idealized version of herself during courtship, only to reveal a different personality after marriage. This could mean hiding controlling tendencies, selfish behaviors, or manipulative tactics. If a husband feels deceived, if the person he fell in love with seems to no longer exist, he might feel betrayed. Trust and authenticity are essential in any relationship, and without them, a marriage can't survive. 4. She uses him. No one wants to feel like a means to an end. A husband might leave if he feels like his sole purpose is to provide financial stability, support her dreams, or cater to her whims while his own needs and aspirations are ignored. For example, if she constantly starts new ventures or pursues fleeting passions while he shoulders all the practical responsibilities, he may begin to feel exploited. A marriage should be a partnership, not a one-sided arrangement. 5. She's the princess in her own story. A relationship requires mutual investment, but some wives treat their husbands as mere supporting characters in their lives. Whether it's demanding expensive vacations, career changes, or other luxuries, a husband may feel reduced to a facilitator of her dreams rather than a true partner. If her desires always take precedence and his feelings are dismissed, he may eventually lose interest in maintaining the relationship. 6. He feels that he's shouldering all the burdens. Every relationship involves responsibilities, but when one partner carries the majority of the emotional, financial, or logistical load, it becomes exhausting. If a wife neglects her share of these burdens, whether due to indifference or her own struggles, a husband may grow weary. Love can only withstand so much strain before resentment creeps in, leading him to seek relief outside the marriage. 7. Loss of intimacy. Physical intimacy is one of the key components that separates a romantic relationship from a platonic one. When intimacy dwindles, whether due to stress, rejection, or disinterest, a husband may feel unloved and unwanted. While other aspects of the relationship might be strong, the lack of physical connection can lead to frustration, emotional distance, and eventually, the breakdown of the marriage. 8. He feels like he can't do anything right. Nobody enjoys constant criticism, especially from someone they love. If a husband feels like his efforts are never enough, whether it's in his career, parenting, or around the house, he may start to disengage. Constructive feedback is one thing, but perpetual negativity can crush self-esteem and erode affection. Over time, a husband may grow tired of feeling like a perpetual failure in his wife's eyes. 9. She constantly disrespects him. Respect is foundational to any successful marriage. When a wife mocks, belittles, or emasculates her husband, especially in public, it leaves lasting scars on his confidence and their bond. Overstepping boundaries, disregarding his opinions, or making light of his contributions can chip away at the respect he feels for her as well. Without mutual respect, love cannot thrive. 10. She cheats on him. Infidelity is one of the ultimate betrayals in a marriage. For many husbands, the discovery of an affair shatters their trust and love, leaving little room for reconciliation. Even in cases where forgiveness is possible, repeated indiscretions can push a husband to his breaking point. Cheating not only breaks trust, but also signals a lack of respect and commitment to the marriage. 11. There's no communication between them. Communication is the lifeline of any relationship. When couples stop talking, whether it's about serious issues or everyday events, their connection begins to fade. A husband who feels like he can no longer share his thoughts, dreams, or concerns with his wife may feel isolated. Over time, this emotional distance can lead to the end of the marriage. 12. Familiarity breeds contempt or disinterest. Over time, the spark that once ignited a relationship can dim. For some couples, the comfort of familiarity evolves into disinterest or even resentment. Without effort to keep the relationship fresh and exciting, partners may drift apart. A husband who feels like his marriage has turned into a monotonous routine may seek fulfillment elsewhere. Rebuilding and reviving a marriage. Understanding these triggers is the first step toward preventing or addressing them. If any of these points resonate with your relationship, here are actionable steps to heal and strengthen your bond. Communicate openly. Share your thoughts and listen without judgment. Acknowledge each other's concerns and work on solutions together. Seek professional help. Couples therapy can provide valuable tools for resolving conflicts and rebuilding trust. Prioritize intimacy. Make time for physical and emotional closeness. Small gestures like holding hands or a meaningful conversation can reignite your connection. Show appreciation. Celebrate each other's efforts and express gratitude regularly. Feeling valued can transform a relationship. Set healthy boundaries. Respect each other's individuality and establish clear boundaries to avoid resentment. Marriage is a journey that requires constant effort, empathy, and understanding. By recognizing and addressing these triggers, couples can overcome challenges and create a partnership that lasts a lifetime. Remember, it's never too late to make changes that strengthen your relationship and rekindle the love you once shared. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.